It's Cooking at Riegelmann's. We're in the KitchenAid kitchen. I'm joined by Andrew Nordby from Premier Property Group. So today he's going to show us how to make some yummy fruit and nut scones.
Yep, so we're going to start off. We've got a couple cups of flour, some sugar, a little baking powder, and salt. I'm going to mix that together real quick. Yep, and then I have some fresh salt-free butter. And we're just going to mix these together to get incorporate the flour with the butter. All right, now we're going to add in our mixed dried fruit.
All this?
All of that.
And we got about a cup and a half?
About a cup. And we're going to add in about a half a cup or so of walnuts, chopped walnuts. And mix all that together. And now we've got a couple cups of heavy whipping cream. All right, and then we're going to mix this all together. We're now going to put this out on our table, so if you can take the bowl away. And we're going to cut this into 4 pieces. All right, take this one. We're going to make it into a little patty.
Okay.
And cut this into 6 pieces. And then we're going to put this on our baking dish. And then if I could have you brush the tops of these with a little bit of cream.
Okay, so I've got some cream on there, and then you've got some
We have
raw.
some turbinado sugar. Sprinkle a lot.
Okay.
All right, and then we're going to toss this in the oven, 375 degrees for about 15-20 minutes.
Ooh, they look great. Fresh hot scones.
Fresh hot scones, let them sit for a minute or so before you try and take them off. Put them on a little platter.
Those look great. Well, we're going to take one outside and let somebody try it, and we'll be right back. Do you want to try a scone we just made?
Sure.
Tell us what you think.
It's really good.
Just a reminder that you can find this recipe and many others at cookingatRiegelmanns.com. Thank you so much for joining Andrew and I in the KitchenAid kitchen at Riegelmann's in downtown Gresham, and we'll see you next week.
Cooking at Riegelmann's is brought to you by Riegelmann's Appliance in downtown Gresham.